Introduction to Ecology. Welcome to the world of nature. The two components of nature, organisms and their environment, are not only much complex and dynamic, but also interdependent, mutually reactive, and interrelated. Ecology, which is relatively a new science, deals with the various principles which govern such relationships between organisms and their environment. It is considered to be a science concerned with the nature and the interrelations of living world. The term ecology has been derived from two Greek words, oikos and logos. Oikos meaning habitation or house or dwelling, and logos means the study of. The ecology is the scientific study of organisms at home, which is called as their environment. The term environment refers to those parts of the world or the total set of circumstances which surround an organism or a group of organisms. These two terms are inseparable. The science of ecology involves the study of relations of organisms or a group of organisms to their environment, and the study of totality of man and his environment, plus the application of other disciplines like paleoecology, oceanography, hydrology, limnology, climatology, and various other branches of science. Ecology deals with organisms, populations, communities, ecosystems, and the biosphere. The place of living is the organism's environment, hence ecology is sometimes called as environmental biology. The interrelationships of organisms and the environment may be between an organism and its place of living, an organism with its neighbors, an organism with its own community, or an organism with other communities, a group of organisms with another group of organisms, or a community with other communities. Or it may be due to the effect of environment over an organism, the effect of environment over a group of organisms, and the change of environment over life, and the change of environment over a change of environment. Ecology was first described as a separate discipline in 1886 by the German zoologist Ernst Haeckel. It is a multidisciplinary science aimed to deal with many environmental problems. The study of ecology deals with the spatial distribution of an abundance of organisms, the temporal changes in the occurrence, abundance, and activities of organisms, the interrelationships between organisms, communities, and their populations, the structural adaptation and functional adjustments of organisms to the change in the environment, the behavior of organisms under natural environment, the productivity of organisms and energy to mankind. Various definitions have been given from time to time to define the word ecology. Important among them are Warming, 1895, who described ecology as the study of organisms in relation to their environment. Then Clements described ecology as the science of community. Later, Taylor in 1936 defined ecology as the science of all the relationships of all organisms to all their environments. Odum, who holds an important place in the world of ecology, described ecology in 1969 as the study of structure and function of ecosystem, or we might say in less technical way, the study of structure and function of nature. With more or less similar concept, R. Mishra defined ecology as interactions of form, functions, and factors. Later on, Krebs in 1985 defined ecology in simple, modern, comprehensive way as ecology is the scientific study of interactions that determine the distribution and abundance of organisms. Thanks.